Remember and note, use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. Risking more than you can afford to lose. The biggest mistake you can make is to risk more money than you can afford to lose. Take a look at the amount you feel comfortable with. It is a very risky business, so control yourself and your emotions during investment in any website. Investment websites are used. Be careful. If you don't care, then you will lose your all money. Always do your own research before investing on any website. Okay? Always do your own research before exchanging or swapping money. Buy and sell bitcoins and trading. But at all times, ensure you are talking to the right person. Use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. Okay, today I am showing you the latest update of Pamafunds.ai. Okay, now Pamafunds.net or .com old back office changed Pamafunds.ai. Okay, that's old to change new back office. Okay, first, this is my referral link. To register your account, use this referral link. This referral link you will find into the description of this video. Okay, this is my referral code and position left. If you will register your account using this my referral link and use this referral code PF capital 967861 position left, then you will get team bonus, binary income, left and right 20%. Okay, this link you will find in the description of this video. Okay, today I am showing you how to upgrade or update your existing package plan in Pamafunds.ai company. Okay, this is new big office website of Pamafunds.ai. In previous videos I have already showed you how to activate your package plan. Okay, I have already activated 100. Now I want to upgrade it $100 more. It becomes to $200. As you will see here, my fund wallet is $54. Okay, now I want to upgrade it. Okay, see how to upgrade this. For upgrading, okay, select what top up, as you will see here. Okay, select top up, click here top up box. After clicking here, okay, you will see my purchase wallet balance and fund wallet balance. Okay, select recharge package. Click here. Okay, as you will see here, I am selecting, if I am selecting see how many packages or franchises available. Okay, there are many franchises available here. Pamafunds, okay, and other franchises also available. I am selecting Pamafunds. Select franchise. Franchise is also Pamafunds. Now select your wallet. Click here. Multiple wallet. Okay. Click here multiple wallet. Okay. Minimum package plan must be 100. Okay. In this company, minimum package plan will start at 100. Okay. As you will see here, here is your ID. Enter your ID here. Okay. Okay, I am pasting that ID is here. Okay, after pasting, be careful. Okay, ID is 100% correct. Okay, as you will see here, my fund wallet is $54. Now I am okay upgrading $54 whole amount. Okay, my purchase wallet is $114. Okay, if I am typing here $54, see 54 54 108. Okay, if I am typing here 108, okay, then see actual amount is what here 54 54 equal to 108. Okay, I am typing here whole amount. I want to activate total activation or upgradation. My account is already activated. Now I am upgrading more to add more 108 package plan. Okay, then you click here to continue it. Okay, activation done successful. Okay, click here to OK. As you will see here, $54, 54 plus 108. Now click here to dashboard. As you will see here, my total package plan is now 208. Okay, now my purchase wallet balance is $60.52 and my total purchase here 208. Okay, I hope you will understand how to upgrade your existing package plan. Okay, and activate it in this way. Okay, now my package plan is 204. Total purchase, my fund wallet balance is 0. Okay, thanks.